Cut out the race car template. Attach it to the craft tube. Poke skewers through the black circles on the sides for the wheel axle. Poke skewers through the wheels. Use rubber bands to hold the wheels in place. Tape the straw to the balloon. Blow up the balloon and keep the balloon closed with your fingers until you're ready for the car to go. Tape the straw to the top of the car.
Gentlemen, start your engine.
The escaping air from your balloon rushes out of the straw. This is your car's propulsion system. The principle at work here is Newton's third law of motion. This law states that for every action there is an equal but opposite reaction. In the case of the balloon-powered car, the action is the air rushing from the straw and pushing against the air behind the car. The reaction is the air behind the car pushing against the car with the same force, causing the forward motion of the car.